Thought I'd give you an update on the turkeys and the chickens, I guess. As you can see, it's a little foggy this morning. We have to move these things. I'll be honest with you, this fence, it's good in theory. It's kept predators out, but I just don't think it holds up. We move it once a week. I don't think it's very efficient. I feel it would be better it's just about as much money if you just had a permanent fence and yet with a gate and just move them from paddock to paddock to paddock, because moving this thing every week, this is like an hour and a half chore. I'd rather just like keep them in there, open a gate, move them into the next paddock, close the gate, let them out, not have to deal with moving all of this. But that's what we do. These guys got about 2 weeks left, and then, well, you know what happens to them. It's just their cycle of life. I don't know if I'm going to do this next year. It's been an experience for sure, raising turkeys. Never done it before. Not sure I want to do it again. I thought it'd be a good idea to raise some turkeys, take them up to church, have a community-wide Thanksgiving Day meal, and, well, a turkey cook-off for the guys or anybody else that wants to cook a turkey. They're kind of annoying. Despite that noise over there, they're not as annoying. They just want to get let out. We separated these guys out. The turkeys are no longer with the chickens. They're over here. We built the turkeys their own little roost, and this is where they wound up. However, what we've noticed over the last week is these chickens over here would fly over and hang out with these guys on this roost over here. I don't know why. They got roosts in there, but for whatever reason, they like that one. So, it's new. I guess it's a new toy. I don't know. So we decided, hey, let's just combine them again. We'll open them up, put them in one pen, and then they can all play on the roost, whatever, because these guys don't have much time left. So we're going to try to combine this whole thing and move it a little bit so they have new grass to poop on, because that's all they do is eat and poop. Right, Duke? You still want to eat a turkey, don't you? Turkey or chicken? Turkey or chicken? I think for the move, let's just, well, for you viewers at home, we'll stick you in a roosting bar and point you this way. Enjoy the ride. They are moved, but your fence isn't, so we can't let you out yet. See, that's why. That's why I don't think electric netting is very efficient. If you had permanent and you know where you're going to put them every time, just build a permanent fence, electrify it. Would have opened a gate, closed the gate, let them out. We'd be done. You want to eat one? You want to eat one? You can't. Okay, fence number 1 is moved. This should be interesting because these birds, well, they don't have a cage. They're just going to be running loose. This will never happen. Let's try it. Come here. Come here. Tucker, Duke. Sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Tucker, sit. I said sit. Down. 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 Okay, wait. You wait. I don't know how long that'll last. Probably not long. You guys wait. Nope. Wait. There you go. That's a move. That's a pain. I have no idea why the turkeys decided to go after the chickens. They've only been separated for like 5 days. We had the chickens first, then we got the turkeys. When the turkeys got old enough, we put them all in that coop over there, and we would do just this. That was a rooster going after a hen. Not a rooster we'll probably keep. Anyway, they used to cohabitate together, and then we separated them because we built that for the turkeys because they like to roost higher. And then, yeah, I mean, I don't know, for whatever reason, it's not like they were going after the grain because they were attacking them way out here. But I do find it funny that the chickens are now eating all the turkey's grain. These center supports. Shelly was whooping some turkeys, boy. It's kind of funny. It's a funny sound with a loud thud. See, look, the turkeys are in now eating where they used to eat down there, which is the chicken coop. Birds. Maybe that's why people raise cows.